This is NexTechie Autonomo, the brief, your essential briefing on the intersection of automation, AI, and robotics. Let's get rolling.
This is the brief on the mass arrival of humanoid robots and the dawn of physical AI. We're at a critical moment in 2025. Humanoids are leaving the lab for factories and homes as real products. This isn't a future forecast. It's a high-stakes global race happening right now, all about new hardware and game-changing software. First, the industrial workforce is being redefined by what's called physical AI. This means truly intelligent, autonomous robots that can perceive and act in the real world. A great example is Germany's Agile ONE. It's built for human environments, and its world-leading hands have sensors that let it handle delicate components and even use power tools with precision. Second, the industry is shifting from hardware to software. This is thanks to robot foundation models. Think of it as a universal brain for any robot. The company Physical Intelligence just secured a massive $600 million for this. See, these models ditch old-school programming. You can just tell a robot a goal in plain English, like, pack these chocolates, and the AI figures out how to do it. Finally, this humanoid wave is cresting fast, driven by a strategic global race. You've got consumer models like Neo from NexTechie aiming for domestic chores, but they still rely on remote human help for training. Meanwhile, China has made this a national priority, with a state-backed plan for mass production by 2025 and global leadership by 2027. We're already seeing this in deals to use their humanoids to patrol border checkpoints. The competitive rush to build the body and the brain of the next-generation robot is fundamentally changing the global economic landscape.
This was NexTechie Autonomo, the brief, just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.